Hi everyone, good morning. So this is Ganesh, and I'm from Group 3, and we have our other members as Keshav, Mayank, and Inshad. So we have done our project in Java, and basically what we are doing is we are running both client and server side and one computer, so that it can interact with the other systems as well. As sometimes you need to uh, send the table from like your computer to other computer, and likewise you are receiving the table from other computers as well. So that's why we are running both client and server side, so that you can interact with the other computers. So for that, what we have done is initially we have defined this topology file in which we are defining the initial routing table for a particular server. So as you can see here, this is the topology.txt for server 1, and likewise we have defined it for other servers as well. So I am here connected to my other computer, in which the same way I have defined the topology file, but then for the server number 2, as you can see here. So I'll explain you what this topology file consists of. So first line consists of the number of servers it is going to connect. So it is says 4, and then the second line says that the number of adjacent edges it will be having, like the number of servers it is going to have a direct connections with. So it will be 3. So here from line 3 to 6, the server IDs are given to particular IP, as you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the IP of the computers which we are going to connect is given, and these are the port number on which the servers are there. And from line 7 to 9, the initial vector table is like provided. So from server 1 to 2, what will be the cost of that is 3. So from server 1 to 3 it will be 4, server 1 to 4 it will be 4. So likewise it is defined for each and every server. So let's go to code directly. I'll show you how it is running. So let's run this code. So as you can see, both client and server are running on the computers. So these are the commands that which we can use to like see whether distance vector algorithm is working or not. So first command, it says server, then topology file, and it is asking for -i time interval in seconds. So first command is basically used to uh, like read this topology file, and through this topology file we'll get to know how many servers it needs to be connected, then how many edges it has adjacent to it, and then which all IP we need to connect, and the routing table, like the cost which is defined. So we'll just see how it works. So before that, like we'll run this command. Like this is the first command which you need to run in every computer. So let's say I'm running in each computer. For example, I'll just show you. So as I have seen, as you can see here, it is directly connected to 10.85.1110.51, which is this computer. So as you can see here, the connection to the peer is successfully established. So as you can see, it is established. So let's run the same command in here also, like in this computer also. So in each computer, this command needs to be run. Topology.txt -i, and -i is the time interval in which the routing table will be shared to its adjacent peers. So this is the 200 time we are giving, like 200 milliseconds, in which the routing table will be automatically shared. There is no need to forcibly send it to anyone. But here in the third command, you can forcibly like send the routing table, the updated routing table of the current server to the other servers using step. So let's see first how this works. So before that, like as you can see here, I'll show you. This is the second computer in which I am connected. So after the topology file is done reading, it will show that reading topology done. Now what you need to do is you need to perform the other steps, or whichever command you need to perform. So let's check the display command. As you can see, as you can already tell, like display command is used to display the routing table. So as soon as we hit enter, the routing table for this particular server can be seen. So as you can see here, routing table from 1 to 1 is 3. Routing table from 2 to 2 will be obviously 0. Routing table from 2 to 3 will be 5. And like that, the same thing uh, is displayed. So what we'll do is, like in the first computer, as it is connected to all the computers, so let's try this update command. So the second command, what it does is, like it updates the cost of the like it updates basically the cost between the servers. So let's suppose this is the server 1. So from server 1 to 2, it will update the cost. Let's say previously it was, let's see what it was, like from 1 to 2 it was 3. So let's update it to some less amount, let's say 1, and we'll hit enter. And as soon as you hit enter, like you can see message sent to 10.85.154.20 update success. And as soon as you check, sorry for this, as soon as you check the same thing in server 2, so here you'll get the thing as message received from the server 1, that is 10.85, the same thing, and the current routing table which will be updated as this, like from 2 to 1 it will be like 1. So as you have seen, like cost has been updated. So now what we'll do is, we have seen these four commands, and then what we'll do is like try to disable the other servers which we are not using. Let's suppose disable 3, and as soon as you hit this command, so you can see disabled connections with server 3. We'll do the same with disable 4, like we'll see if it works. Like disable 4 is also you can see disabled the connection with the server. And then what we'll do is, like I'll just show you, like we'll abruptly close this connection and we'll see what the output comes. Let's suppose close it, like I'm terminating this. So let's check what it does. As yeah, sending failed because connection reset by peer. So disable connection with server 2. So as soon as you like abruptly close the connection with amongst the server, you will get this message, and you will see 10.85.154.20 remotely close the connection. And then this is the last command which says crash. Let's see what it does. Like it ends the program, and it stopped the execution. As you can see here, it is returned to gray, and it says uh, it's over, like this program has been done. So these are all the commands that we have done. So uh, that this is what we have developed. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have gained something. Thank you.